Walk into almost any busy emerging market today, and you will see an economy built entirely on paper. This reliance on physical currency is fragile. A torn bill is often rejected by vendors, a lost wallet is gone forever, and even securely stored cash loses its value over time as the cost of basic goods rises. Placing a digital ATM into this environment doesn't automatically solve these problems. To a community that survives on what they can touch, a glowing screen offering tokenized assets can look like an unfamiliar intrusion. For a local shop owner, every bill in their hand represents a day's labor. Feeding that tangible proof of work into a digital machine can feel like dropping it into a void. Installing a global digital network across a rural province yields nothing if the local population sees no reason to use it. Trust is the baseline. Without it, the hardware is just a landmark. To address that suspicion, the Sigma ATM bypasses the standard banking menu. Instead, the idle screen invites passersby to take part in a 60-second educational challenge. While physical cash left in a drawer loses purchasing power, a liquid token earns a steady yield. Identifying the growing asset instantly rewards the user with a learning credit, reducing their next transaction fee. By connecting a financial concept to a lower cost of service, the machine transforms a curious observer into an active, incentivized participant. For digital assets to be useful, they have to be understood. This requires moving away from technical jargon and using analogies that reflect the user's daily life. The token acts as digital livestock. Just like using cattle to secure a trade, placing tokens into a collateral pool triggers an automated credit release, allowing the shop owner to purchase bulk inventory and increase daily revenue. When technology is framed through familiar lenses, users stop being passive observers and begin to use the system as a tool for their own growth. Success is visible. When a vendor uses a microloan to double their inventory, they eagerly show the results to the person at the next stall. This information travels through existing social hubs, from conversations at bus stops to discussions outside local places of worship. In an environment where institutional promises are often met with suspicion, the sight of a neighbor's business actually expanding carries more weight than any billboard or broadcast advertisement. A single ATM educates 50 users. As they share results, the network branches to hundreds. AI analyzes demand within these growing clusters. If a village shows interest in group savings, the ATM interface automatically prioritizes those tools locally. At the end of the learning flow, thousands of users hit the "I'm in" prompt, triggering a localized celebration on the screen as they officially join the ecosystem. Financial decentralization isn't something that can be imposed. It is built through education, scaled by peer-to-peer success, and maintained by a system that adapts to the community it serves.